Among the guys. After this game, so I'll set a game, then I grant my phone. Ang pelo mo'y mantangawi. Dalawa na matali.
Yeah, thank you so much for the beautiful tips. I appreciate it. Not asleep, not saying anything. That's why. It's also night. Also night.
Pangcabanga ngayo. Ay, kulegani.
It's Monday. We have to try Monday. Let me try Alexi here. Guys, thank you so much for the powerful taps. I appreciate you guys. Kia, Lufuna, thank you so much. Shimza, Joy, guys, thank you so much. Sizo, thank you so
Hi, I'm sleeping, guys. Good night.
Mami, I'm still going.
Marushilo shem kuzozosala wena.
Mina angilali namhlanje ngoshawa ufoni la. Dlala. Asihlale quiet game, maybe uzosiboost. Siqala ukukhuluma sipepereze. Hey, Musa. Ukulungisothe.
Yamazi lokhu.
Abakuthi Betakhathela ngathi uzothi lokubhizibizana namaphili.
Mara masingadlala. I think restart abantu bangenile bafica kubhora kuthulekile. Ngicabanga mangaphuma
Restart.
So buya sekukhona nabavuka ngo3.
Sibuye ngo3.
Manje sometime ngiyasho ukuthi kuzobe kukhona nabavuka ngo3.
So to restart.
Restart sobona soqhuma amalayoni.
Siqala ukuthukana. Nabantu sibona amankwezi guys. Phela silibalele ngusisiyenza. Kodwa nje asibani. Mazimini. Okay, sis, asambe.
Morning. Kubacela ukungibona. How are you guys? Morning everyone. How are you? Baby, it's over. Why is it over? Paul, what happened? Hi Nancy, how are you? Me, I am good. When ungazufunge. Thank you, Lu. Ngiyabonga. Amehla ami kusamahleze nje angeke ngilale ngingakayitholi Interstellar. Uzongipha Interstellar bese ngiyalala. Andilali Interstellar engekho. Sho ukuthi angilali ke Samkelo. Kusho kona nje ukuthi Kirimaro. This Kirimaro. Are roba di ela dala batur Kirimaro. I know.
No. Hey babalo. Intombi uqhoqhobala la. Cela unginikeze igame hle. Zange ngizodlala nawe. Ngiyahleka ukusasirazo ngiyahleka.
Kanjani game ngangiphi nawe game? You must first give me a game.
Mina I need to. Guys, can you please double tap the screen, guys? It's 500.
Please guys, office olelang. Lapho sengivuka embhedeni mina ngiyabona ukuthi uthongo. Siyamphumulana.
Okay, come and give me 500 square game, guys. Can you please double tap the screen?
I think ingqondo itshelile ukuthi kusasa angivuki. Namhlanje angiye emsebenzini. That is why kuze kushawa 3. Ngisathi ngiyacimeza. Oh, that is why ke wena ungalelanga. Guys, first gift is times 3 Nkosi yami. Can you please all tap the screen?
I want to thuka umaguja.
Ngithiwa ngiyenzeni? Unyama uze pumpkin uzongisukela. Ebusuku ngabo ma 3 khona umuntu othi ufuna ukuthuka abanye abantu. Guys, can you please all tap the screen so mthiwa aqala? Wanda wekaka.
Guys. Ngicela ungibangela isicefe wena.
Othi uzongithuka ngithi mina ngifuyaqala ke kulo.
Nginibangela isicefe kanjani? Ngicela ningi-edeni ngizone smoke kahle ngilethe smoke. Phela kukhuluma ukuthi uma kumele ngivele i-camera ngizoyivula. Ngicela ukudlala nani. Uma kaGucci kudala ngifuna ukumtshela indaba zakhe. Cela ningi-edeni lapha. Ngiyeza nge-main account yami. Cancelani ngoba nina smoke la.
Ha.
Fix usithando sami. Can you please show them? Mara abantu Fixo. Thank you for joining my life.
Cela ningi-edeni.
Indaba zami ngiyenzeni mara Linda? Ngene
ngimina. I-main account ilindeni yena.
Na wena co-host sizokusendela i-invite.
Ngivulile.
Okay, it is kesizo.
If you don't get to 500, this is our disconnector section.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Umtshela uthi ungizele ngekaka. Umfoka ba ulinda lo othi uzongitshela indaba zami.
And maya ngeke ngoba ngakana muntu naku live kanjani lo friend.
awumngenise ngizombona ngimthuke kahle kodwa umqala.
Bokusiza-ke ukuthi uvule ikhamera wenje.
Awumngenise ngizombona ngimthuke kahle kodwa.
Sanibonani.
Bokusiza ukuthi
Anise-smokeless nibhizi niba ngumsindo lali weni smokeless ngakhona.
Makiyabheda uyeka abantu abasmokeless makiyabheda lungisa indaba yemike.
Sicela uvule ikhamera futhi asihlale green screen yasibhodisela abantu bethu futhi vela lapha.
Ithi ngivule ima. Ithi ngivule.
Sicela
Ndayinothanda ama-films. Don't tell me.
Linda acela ukukudisconnecta ubuye uzositshela ama-surrey.
Mara ngifuna ukudlala ngizovula ngithi ngifike ku-500 lokhu
Cha,
imali.
Angeke phela usend-invite usakanje. Ebo. Disconnect.
As-disconnect
Nina. Mara nina ngifuna ukunigibeza.
Umuntu uthi ngeke adlale nge-green screen maceda uyofika nge-green screen. Uthi uzongitshela indaba zami ngitshela kanjani indaba zami? Wena labangani bakho ababolile you need to choose new friends.
Angimazi la.
Unamanga umazi kahle angithi ungene kwi-panel yakho wathi ukutshela ukuthi ufuna ukungitshela indaba zami. Shuthi umbhalele ku-inbox ukuthi ngena Jomo uzomtshela indaba zakhe. Ubatshela abangani bakho ngizoba kuswacaza kanye nawe. Nginibhanqa ngazo lezi phongo enkulu ngitshela indaba yekake libolile. Ngiyantshela. Hawu.
Nabantu abavule.
Sewungiphoza. Guys, first gift is times 3. If singaba nomuntu ongasendela imani gani, sobe sibongile nkosi yami.
Nathi awunikeze imani gani Nkosi yami ngiqala ngifuna ukumthuka nathi. I want to go hard down this lady.
You want to go harder on who? Join the back.
Kodwa guys, ithini le ndaba?
You are going harder on who nengqobe eziqhome eziphi ungazongijoin the back akungibizela idabani lezo uthi zizothuka mina. They are saying they want to go harder on me. Next time if you want to go harder on me ne, you must fight with your own coins. Ungangithumeleli ngabantu mina abantu base island basebefikile la ngutshela. They will show you flames. Uzongibheka. Uzongibheka. Nawe neziqhoma ngathi amakhona esiqeda unganginyanyisi mina. Ungithumelela ngama-gays manje left right and center ama-gays ngifuna ukumbonisa ama-flames lo mama kaguji kudala ngifuna ukubhodla ubhodla kubani ngabe ubhodla umdidi lo ophuma isihlamane nama-spams angangijoyina indaba epapa mina angijoyina indaba epapa umtshela next time ukuthi ufuna ukubhodla angabhodleli lapha kwami makaceda uzovela nge-green screen kuba uvele kubuso mina bezokucala ebusweni ngimbeke emaqakaleni angijoyina indaba epapa elibolile makufika island la izokubonisa ama-flames ningijwayela kabi nini you guys la nihlangana nami nalamayitabani zakhe ebolile
Wena musukuthuka lo mfana yazi ukuthi u-MVP yakhe indoda yakho Linda.
Thuli uyangidina ungena la uthi kudala ngifuna ukukhuluma mama first of all angaze ngadlala naye akasiyo umngani wami ungene ngane ethi kudala afuna ukubhodla kumakaguji ufunani kumakaguji mina ngizomkhombisa ikaka and now ukwazi ukukhwehlela on my coins ngiyazi uphethwe i-TP please respect nje kancane ama-coins ami you must respect my coins e-island mayifikile la isuke sifikile uFixo makathi ufikile usuke sakafikile mele nimrespect and next time mangithi uFixo is in a building vele uthi ngiyaxolisa mama ngicela ukudisconnect udisconnect cause uFixo uzokunika igame and when you come with 6 coins uyanginyanyisa nang ukhona la umlindosi don't show your face come with coins usenda kanjani imatch engavela ngobuso mina ngizompetula isihlama ngenqindi nobabili ngizonihlanganisa isihlama ngenqindi cause ningijwayela kabi how I want to come go hard on Makaguchi go hard you'll never do that mtshele wena pumpkin ukuthi you'll never do that kuMakaguchi uyagcina kuyiphupha ebusuku kuMakaguchi going harder that one uyagcina ebusuku how uFixo uthi ngiqhufuzela uMakaguchi ku late Linda uqhufuzela mina angithi mina ngiyakwazi ukurespect omunye umuntu wena ungenela uthi uzo go harder on me without even knowing me uthi uzoko nalo mngani wakho lo neqhoba ngathi amakhona esiqeda ningangenza onihlanganise bakhanda nobabili nini showcase yellow ball because ama yellow ball nawangiphiwe nako lokho showcase kuyi yellow ball lokho ukuthi kuzogo harder cause nerhalela ukuba mnyama rhalela ukuba madark thina ngithi maniphumela ngene niyashaya nibe toasted. So if you see me like dark, beauty, and intelligent, you guys become jealous. Yeah, ilelo kwabo ngifuna ngicabange 5 minutes. Never jealous and nyampo futhi akumusilo kuveza izandla zakho ngathi zinqindi ngathi zinyawo. Amazipha so intombazane kwenze njani? Awuphinde uveze futhi. Ngathi ugubha ngazi amathulu kwenze njani? Pumpkin uyazidla mara izinto ezimnandi. Pumpkin ama-conflicts uyawazi. Pumpkin ungayenzi leyo. You must spoil yourself, Pumpkin. Akwazi kuba nezandla nje uyintombazane. Maceda lo linda ubusy la comment section yami 8 miyang 8 ihlama la engafuni ukuveza ubuso babo. Mina ngizogo hada kuwe unye. Because angikwazi ukuthi ungene ngani. Ngijwayenda bekaka ebusuku ngabo 3 minutes sekumela thuka ihlamba. Niyangijwayela nina ningihloniphi. Eda lo muntu wakho.
No, akukho lindo yomhleka la. Yazi ulinda uyazi ukuthi ugifta ufixo pero ufuna uzokuthathela igift yakho ungamfakela. Let's play zoyithusile kabulinda. Linda mzana nontanga zakho. Guys, can you play guys? You can let Mark to me. I want to talk kaloku.
Fixo sanda sam, thank you so much. Sino Fixo and I think unokungisa mangadlali naye ulo. Ufixo uyangithanda, we are friends. I think we have like 3 weeks. Mina abantu base island, I even made a video yokuthi abantu base island they love me. You can't go harder on me if kune island la. You can't do that. Everyone, can you please tap the screen? Join the back mina.
Give some manager yakho samevali.
I need to give some manager now to yash. Guys, can you please all tap the screen? About 73 guys. Why are you not tapping the screen, guys? Guys, first gift is ×3. If we can get Nkosam noma ke imani kanomi galaxy nisibulalele Nkosam sifike ku 3000. Ngicela guys sonke sitap screen. Laba bakhona about 70 betap screen including nawe Linda. Ngena la utap screen. Ngoba ngikwazi ukukhamseleni la ku comment section yami.
Hi Unique.
How can you Unique lapho? Oh, ukuya ku Alishem.
Kokusiza ke ntombazana ukuthi uthule kumakhwenzi wami. But we said 500 quiet game J.
Ngiqala ukuyiva. Qala nje ukizwa.
Whatever. Thank you so much, Unique. Guys, we need 1000. Udala ngithuka uma ngakuthi guys, I need to pay.
Kodwa seuyabalisa manje ufuna ungiqhatha no Unique.
Udala ngithuka. Unique was listening to you on my FYP. He was listening. Upu Island. Guys, can you get to 1000? Guys, like mfuna ukubhodla uma ngakuthi ngithuke kakhulu Timmy. Can we please go harder on my ngakuthi? Please. 3 people, 3 roses. Nakho. Ngathatha ama 3 roses.
Can I please have 3 people from 3 roses from 3 different people? When Dimhlongo Sam, can you please send me a rose? Guys, only 1 rose. We need 3 roses, 1 rose per person. Guys, I'm a rose out 3. When what some rose out 3.
Guys, anyone a rose? Anyone, guys, one rose. Oh my god. Makuchichela man bakubazo.
Yo, besesi almost. Thank you so much. Guys, as say unlocking
one more.
When them song ngiyacela sina sami ngiyazithoshela ukungila.
Oh, Koli, you're late, mama. Thank you so much. You're late.
Guys, time so vulekile, guys. Time so if you can get money card, maybe you can try to do something on the speed. Guys, speed is vulekile. Laba unlockile. If you guys have coins, can you please guys do something?
Okay, so when I ask the guy what is thank you so much, Unique. Can you get to 1000? Like I have a lot to tell this lady. Unique, I have a lot to tell this lady. Thank you so much, Unique. We are almost there, guys. One more hand. I have a lot to say to this lady. I have suffered, guys, because of this lady. One more hand hearts, guys. Please, anyone. Guys, we are almost there. 1000. I need to keep it quiet. Deep down, Satan. Usathanda umqobo lakho. Uzokuthola. Guys, can we play it? Can we play next game? It's fine. Let's leave this one. Can we play next game on the first speed?
Shuku. Wait for it.
Ingakubambi. The revenge.
Abantu bakubawu 70,000 billion but bahlo uku 70 coins usicela ukuthi ufike ku-1,000. Amara.
It's because I told them to stop gifting. They must wait for the second game.
Ubonile ukuthi sekuthulekile. Don't act like ubatshela ngoba sewuba.
You think Unique can give me 1K?
Who can give you even universe. But I'm saying abantu bakwa why benganginiki 70 coins.
Ungenaphi? Abantu bakho bakhona ukufaka 100. Ungenaphi? Can you people put you on thank you so much Unique ukukhula ngentombazane ukuthi ukhule. Why ngathi une-echo futhi?
I-ekhi kuwe sis.
No, i-echo. Phezi i-echo kimi. Ngizokumute-ke bese ngiyakhuluma. Besiqhemqhem sentombazane.
Oh, my favorite voice. Guys, but I don't even have time to talk. Guys, can you play the second game? Please. Thank you so much, Unique. I don't have my time. Like, can you play the second game? Can I go out on you? Come, sentombazane. Mubi magush. Your first second. Guys, I don't know what's it put my play. Is it because I'm also live? Let me end the live. Thank you, Kaya. Thank you, guys.
Amehla babuhlungu, I don't know why.
Guys, doubt.
Guys, can you please all tap the screen? Can you please all tap the screen, Marahle, guys?
Guys, I'm showing myself with the back.
Let's give this.
Guys, first give times 3. Guys, anyone with a money gun? Money gun, please. Now, coaching this challenge on for the game.
Guys, a money gun, guys. Anyone who's having a money gun?
Number 47. Yes, they're pushing. I was saying number 47. Thank you. We are pushing. I'm pushing. Saying number 83, number 47. I don't give up. I'm not giving up. I'm from last 6 of my talent. Hi, username. Rusty Rain. What do you mean? Guys, can nyazi ukuthi nisalele but nazi ukuricharge kalula xa umfanele like uvele uricharge nje amount.
5 stars, tell something. Thank you for the rose. Thank you. Guys, okay, Kosam. To everyone who's greeting me, I'll respond.
Someone give me 1 rose to activate.
Guys, we have a speed in a ×2 speed. If I can get someone who will drop me a money gun or something else, guys, this is a 1,000 coin game. I'm begging you guys, drop whatever you have. 5 star, don't you have anything, guys? We need to go to 1,000.
Guys, can you guess 1K? Can I have a money gun on the speed, guys, please? 1K, guys. We need to get 1K. It's
I'm going to speak in baby. Yes. Send something.
It's just a money gun. Anyone? Who's username, just username big 3. Username thing. Username, can I please have a money gun? Please, I need to get 1K. I have a lot to say to this lady.
I don't know what's happening with my eyes. Ayaluma.
khona umuntu abazi uthambo leqe kodwa ama-username wenu guys. Guys, it's gonna take us to 1K. Akuthi uma ubalekele ingubo zakho ezibholile ufake i-green screen ntombi ngabe uhlalele ebhedini yakho manje ne-green screen manje uzoqamuka umqolo la.
You see you are going harder on me.
But serious uzobulokhu uhlala esitulweni ukuze kushaya bathani.
Wena la uhleli khona uhleli ngani uhleli ngekhanda.
Is KG still on TikTok? Ubani KG? UKG lo ulevel 4 top broken ngamagushi. Angimazi.
Ubani no indoda kaMagutsha.
KG.
Ngitsho no KG. Mina ngitsho no progress ngo Enigma.
Mina ngitshele no Eni. Urayi nje uKG. Ujidose.
Mshele ke. Indoda yami sengiyangena la ngifice ya stream ikhuluma ngathi iyahlanya ilokhu ikhulumile indoda yami. Ngiqome ke wena. Christy, welcome Sanosa.
Unblock him. Unblock who?
Christy, can you please make me win the next game, Sanosa Mine? I'm begging you. If you have coins, if you don't have, you can just. I'm broke.
Hey, wait, KG is not blocked here.
Kizinikela kuwe baby ngiyathemisa ukuthi angishiye.
Hey, Manuel. I think they must close this TikTok here also in South Africa at night. Because what? Magutsha bayalala manje. Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Guys, can you please all tap the screen?
Guys, can we do subscribe? Yamanzi ukhaya lapha. Wekhaya ungalali o. Kuvala ngo-5.
Guys, first gift is ×3. If you send anything, no matter imani gun will push out to. Thank you, Chrissy. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay, please don't send. Even if you wanted to send the second gift, don't send it on this speed. Send it on the next one. Into yazi uqoqobala lapho lokuxoxa indaba zabantu uxoxe ngo-KG. Akukho kunye. You're busy saying I didn't look. Our fragment you to lose now next year when. Now next year was lose. Now 2027. So we'll lose already.
Ngibona ngiluza ama-quick ngize ngiluzele. Ngiluza i-virginity yakho everyday. Futhi.
Yes, definitely. And uyangidina.
Everyday uyapetula nje uyapetula. Ngibona mina ngipetula amehlo la ngipetula. Angijwayele
KG. Guys, can I please have 2 roses from 2 different people? 1 rose per person. Guys, ama-rose awu-2 uNkulunkulu wami. Yo, ayikho sokolisa njengama-rose if was ukuthi abantu abekwe. Guys, ama-rose awu-2, 1 rose per person. Thank you, Chrissy. Thank you, Tando. Guys, this is a 1,000 quid game. We must make sure we reach 1,000 so that we can go harder. Angithi beno indoda yakhe lebengelela they said they wanna go harder on me.
Hawu sisamuhle. Maguthi Ntombi. Hawu. Yazi wena sisamuhle.
Sengimuhle manje kade nithi nino le ndoda yakho yetshebe nithi nifuna ukugo harder on me. Times 2 guys uqalile. Thank you, Chris. Guys, let's go to 1,000. Unique Sanosam, can you please help me out? Can you please help me out? Angithi wena uphaphile, but I wanna go harder, what.
Umuphi lo unique omanga?
Eh?
Umuphi lo unique omsmayile engathanda amadoda?
Unique bangaka emhlabeni ngoba u-billion.
Usismayile kangaka?
Ngingasasmile manje mina nabantu abajoyine i-life wami.
Thank you, please. Mawungena welcome in. Ungena unique. Welcome in. Manje zobula isend naba TikTok. Guys, tap the screen. Please tap the screen, guys. Oh, please tap the screen.
Thank you so much, Christine. I really appreciate it. Thank you, baby.
Phazamisa uNkulunkulu Nkosi bhuti wami nje ungenze isiphidli sentombi. Ungenze vele ungenze ingane yakho nje ungu-adopt.
On your side, uphazamisa. Are you talking about my phazamisa? Eh?
Huh?
Are you talking about my men?
Your man uphazamisa. How?
No, phazamisa. Sishate last year early. We are happily married. So if uthi phazamisa, there's only one phazamisa on this app. So with all due respect, musukungidakelwa sesiwami yangizwa.
Phazamisa mina eyami nje isavalekile nje. Anginayo imbobo enkulu phazamisa. So ngicela uyenze like
Phazamisa khona sangicela ungipha imali gani.
phazamisa kancane ukolala like manje uyolala nje.
Ulalelani phazamisa? Wena ukhulumani because yonke into zakho zivalekile, umlomo uvalekile, amehlo, umdidi, everything ivalekile. Maye
And proud ukuthi uvalekile angabi impethu uvalekile vele. Makusho ethanda ungikhulumisa esini.
lapho umuntu oqala akhulume lezi zinto. Thank you so much, Christine Samne. I really appreciate. Phazamisa, baby. Thank you.
Thank you. Phazamisa sithemba sami. Thank you for the hearts, me baba.
I think it's unique. Thank you.
Phazamisa, thank you for the hearts, me baba.
Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Keep on tapping, guys. Can you please all tap to 8 at least? Girls, first gift this time. Phazamisa, are you still here, baby? So that you can send me something. Phazamisa, baby. Ngifuna comment isuwini namhlanje because uthi mangena amadoda abantu ku live wakhe like Phazamisa is my moon.
Welcome.
Phazamisa akazwani lo wamfakela i-rose uzokuthi uzothi awuyibona nge-Insta ukuthi kuphi. Don't go there. Come my love.
Ndodethatha emntwini sis, please. Ndodethatha emntwini.
Into ethasemtini. Ngizokulana ngikukrabhe. Kuthumula umuntu ubulawa umuntu. Yazi nale.
Abulala amazulu guys.
Guys, can you please have one rose, please? So that you can unlock isip. Kodwa Thando, Mthandosi, awulele Thando.
Guys, can I have one galaxy to activate?
Guys, on maqala speed Nkosi yami. Awuphazamisa awunayo Nkosi yami iGalaxy. Le akathi uyayicula vele siqhufuze. Makathi ufuna inzi iqhufuze nga. Time is 2 guys uqalile. onegalaxy asifakele yona. If ungenayo igalaxy, you can drop at least iLion or Interstellar or
Minutes of power.
phazamisa baby sophela isipiti singafakanga lutho. Ma asibuyele siphakamisa udumo lwayo lengoma.
Ne-active speed la. Dlala nje. Dlala. Mnandi stream ebusuku but ama-days are not the same guys. Today we are so smoky. Anganoma ibhadi ngiphiwe umaguji. Sizoba nesmoke njani ubhizi uyafeba ngenye ifoni. Wena maguji.
Ngiphathele uvaseline nkosi yami. Hayi cha umuntu nkosi yami hayi. Hayi
Ufuna unginaka maguji.
awuvele nawe uyathini lokho usivezela i-green screen kade ubabaza zona lezi bizivezela i-green screen sikhombisa ithami ekujabulikile. Phazamisa thank you sithando sami you are our MVP.
Umaguji ungangikhotha mina nokungikhotha sisi ungale njengomfanisi na.
Kodwa mina iskin esibemhlophe nxa cream ngiyahlanya mina. Homemade.
Mina ngikubonisa ngezinga ukuthi ngiyabona. Use.
Ngathi sengizolala manje. Inkinga kunuka iLion. I feel like there's someone who's going to drop iLion. Khona iLion enuka la.
Unuka igqeba bazothi unuka ilali nambulala thatha ugesi.
Witches. Witches. Ngiyolala manje like for real. Ngiyozela ke manje.
Rusty Wall. Kan kudala abantu bangena lapho kaze babhala ukuthi Rusty Wall yini le? Ethi ngathi maguji ulala ngaphambili.
After this life ngolala ngempela.
Mbona ntombi.
Angosamphazamisa ungenile ubhuku wami ngedwa. Guys, can I please have one rose? Rosalie want to activate it
Good
and
night, Wilson.
one rose from one person. Nkosam, oh ngiphe ilayoni uyephazamisa sithando sami. Bakhombise nje ukuthi wena uthanda ngempela.
Antu officer sewakhaphela into yakho le eswabile. La ngubhizi uyaflya. Officer naye umfazi wakho hamba mgift. Oh, busmile nkosami. Samkhulu busmile ukuthi
Namade ngimkhumbule shemze ngamtextisa ngithi khumbula ukuthi ngihlushwe network. U-times 2 uqalile nkosami.
usemubi usmile guys. Usemnyama. Engathi yisend.
Guys, u-times 2 uqalile. If you have something you can drop it or thank you phazamisa sithando sami.
Kanti Khaya umamele. Khaya bohlisa ivolume. Bohlisa ivolume bese uyatheba. It's not like it's not like a yellow or something.
No, Dolly, thank you for joining my life, my love. Thank you, baby. Cela sniper. Sniper.
Cha itucela ama-coins. Usukuthi ucela ukusniper, usniper uyawina. Izucela ama-coins.
Angasiyami ukusniper. I feel like you were leading. Cela ungiphe ama-coins. Cela ungiphe ilayon.
Bacela kabi ama-coins la. Sometimes it's in case ngitshelile kathi mina ngidla njengomathisha nowadays. Minutes per minute I need to be eating. Yeah. I'm always hungry. Authentic vibes. Undele nkosami. My man is sleeping. Wemagush.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Sanosam. See you other day. Maybe tomorrow later. I don't know.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Mwah.
Ngathi nxa usetoilet
Angikho toilet Nkosi yami.
kumele ngikubone ukuthi nxa phinda futhi. Ama-lips ngathi ngama-lip. Bye-bye. Nxa.
Bye-bye. Guys, I'm sleeping now. I don't know ukuthi ngizovuka ngoba I'm sure ngizovuka emini, not even ekuseni. Ngiyovuka emini. Idatha lakusebusuku uyalibona nje linjani bakithi Zimpumlani. Libolile idatha lasebusuku. Alisiphathi kakuhle. Ngizolala ngegown shem namhlanje because isikhathi sokucinga ine-dress namapijama I don't know ukuthi ngizosithatha kubani because mina anginazi. Leli dasa lasebusuku liyacabuzana shemphumlani aliziphathi kahle. Yo nkulunkulu wami yazi, let me just do like this.